Hello everyone, I'm Divya Nimbalkar. Pandemic is going to cause a great disruption to education opportunities that the world has experienced in at least a century. For nearly 6 weeks now, teachers have spent over 5 extra hours a day only on calls with their colleagues. The duo brainstorm ideas and plans for online classes over Zoom apps. A couple more hours goes into gathering and preparing PPTs and voice notes. By the time they are done, it's often too late at night. Teachers are giving back to back online classes, preparing notes, and checking assignments, exhausted and demotivated by the experience. It has been grossly overworked in lockdown, from coping with the basic internet connectivity to India's notoriously undependable power supply, to more structural issues such as education curriculum and teaching methods. Educators are under tremendous stress since lockdown has been implemented in schools and universities in mid March. The next factor is responsibility of parents. The basic internet access to children is the biggest hurdle. Parents can't afford recharge. Children don't have access to devices in urban and rural areas. In many cases, a family doesn't even own a smartphone. In the availability of facilities to help the education process in this situation is an important factor. At last, the students for whom the entire education system is built. As a student, my reaction to online studies as I looked at my homework checklist was, oh my god, why is there so much homework? Due to the breakdown, most of the activities has been cancelled. Teachers believe so, we don't have much to do at home, therefore a tons of homework has been overwhelmed us. However, we have other stuff to do besides homework. Homework in this situation has become a straw which breaks the camel's back. Remote learning has been the most challenging part because students get easily distracted by trying to study from home. It is challenging to get everything done. Attempting to work remotely without the access of the building campus or support from the peer constantly caught us in the game of tug of war of too much work or too little. Sometimes I have 3 projects and 4 assignments due in a day, and sometimes I have nothing. In this situation, where there is increasing number of coronavirus cases, cyclones in West Bengal and Maharashtra, war threat between India and China, economic slowdown, students are expected to work on their assignments, projects, and study for the exams. Students are facing increasing number of obstacles to achieve good grades as they contend with the lack of space of work, problems reaching online sources, and psychological challenges. The continuous lockdown in India has dealt irreparable damages to both students and entire education system. Thank you.